What's up to our family? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you want to join the family, like this video, subscribe, and show the channel some love. I'm 2FlyB, and today I got another review for y'all today. Now these is gonna be a special. This is a special video because this is a special pair of glasses. I had been wanting these for a while, so when I got these, I was hella geek, man. So let's go ahead and hop into it. As y'all see by the title, we have a pair of Cartiers. Cartier sunglasses, man. Let's go ahead and get into it. So it comes in a Cartier box, as you see. The colorway is silver and gray. And let's go ahead and get into it. As you take the box off, you have a nice box. Looks like a jewelry box. Nice red. It says Cartier. As we take the top off of that, we have a very slim, but it feels heavy. Like this feels like quality. A very slim, as you can see, sunglass case. Some be bulky, but no, this is very thin. You could tell this is strictly just for the sunglasses itself. No extra room, but it's sturdy. Definitely sturdy. But let's go ahead. Let's look in the inside, see what else we get. We do have the Cartier here as well. And then the inside up under that, okay, so this is the little booklet, the Cartier booklet. When you order it, this is what you would get in the box as well. If I take this out, let's see. Okay, it comes out on this side. Boom, you got a Cartier booklet. Now this is different. I've ordered a lot of, first open it, you got the Cartier on the first page. Alright, this is all the booklet. Don't know too much about that. What's that about? But I know y'all here for the good stuff. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's get into the nitty gritty. And this is these sunglasses here. Come in here, got the nice Cartier and gold on this black. We gonna lift this up like this. And when you open it up, it's velvet felt in the inside. Separated, one, you know, the right go over here, the left go over here, but it's like this where your nose be at. So this is very detailed, very nice. As they should for the price of Cartiers. Y'all know how they get. They don't play around on the price, so don't play around when it come to delivering it to me, you know, when it comes to the presentation of it. And as I'm opening it out, let's get into it. I already peeped to see. Sheesh. I already peeped to see. Yeah. Yeah, these are that. These are nice. See at the corner right here, you got the Cartier. Cartier at the top right. Arm, they are really thin arms. Silver. Both sides, as you can see. At the end, it's black. But also at the end, where your ears go at here, you see it says Cartier. And that's actually on both sides. See it over there as well. The C on the left hand side right here. And then you got your other C on the right hand side. As we look in the inside, wait, let me make sure you can see up there. As at the top right here, it says Cartier. This is on the left arm. And on the right arm, it has made in France. And I'm just assuming with some the serial numbers, barcode numbers, some type of numbers. That's on the right arm. And like I say, the arms are really thin. This is a very luxury pair of sunglasses. And I am going to try these on, show y'all how these look. But when I put them on, man, these look good. These look great. I'm not gonna lie. Definitely sound wealthy, man. Like, how y'all feel about these glasses? Hold on, real stuff. Like, how y'all think they look on me? Let me turn this way. Turn this way so you can still see the, hold on, make sure you're seeing that thing you see. Turn this way, you see the C. Come on, man. C over here. And then if I turn this way, C on this side. Up here. Oh yeah, and as y'all, if y'all didn't go check out my Ferragamo bracelet, go check out that review. But now you see pieces, details, everything just hint. These are a very nice pair. Let me see. Come up. I like the size of the glasses, not too big, not too small. Hey, these hard. I don't know, cause it's my braids. It's super fresh right now too. Y'all know how they get. But no, these is hard. Wow, this is a very nice pair of sunglasses. I do feel like it was worth the wait. Wow, years before I was able to get them, before I got serious, and as soon as I got serious about them, God made a way. All praise to the Most High. He gonna do his big one for me every time. Jeez, he know what I like and he deliver every single time. God is good, bro. I won't hold you. But alright, y'all, this is this pair of sunglasses, the Cartiers. Let me show you the box one more time. And this is the box, the Cartier box. Can you even see this one? Yeah. But I don't want the light to do too much. Let me see. But yeah, this is it, man. These are the Cartiers. If y'all enjoyed this video, like this video, share this video. Let's stay connected. TikTok and Instagram is 2FlyB. My Snapchat is FlyManB. My business email is in the description below. If y'all like these type of videos or some more sunglasses, y'all like the sunglass videos, just let me know, because I got sunglasses for days, man. Sunglass B, I always got a pair of sunglasses. But yeah, that's it for this review. Appreciate y'all stopping by. Make sure y'all take care of yourself. Stay prayed up. And I'm going to get with y'all next video. Be smooth.